How to treat a sea urchin. Surfers are at an increased risk of sea urchin injuries, especially if they surf in rocky areas. Sea urchin spines can be very painful and difficult to remove, so it's important to know how to treat them properly. Recently, a paper was published that gives a review and clinical approach algorithm for sea urchin injuries. Step 1. Confirm that it is a sea urchin injury and not another marine puncture injury. Step 2. Immediately after injury, remove pedicularia and extract spines. In the rare event of an injury by a species with pedicularia, remove them as soon as possible, since toxins continue to be secreted as long as they are attached. All extractable spines should be removed. Use tweezers to carefully remove each spine. If you have trouble removing a spine, you can try using a needle or a sterile safety pin to loosen it up. Step 3. Immersion in hot water. Immerse the injured area in as hot as tolerable water. Follow for a duration of approximately 30 to 90 minutes to inactivate toxins and proteinaceous irritants. Some sources recommend mixing the water with vinegar in a 1-to-1 ratio. Step 4. Seek medical attention. After first aid is rendered, a tetanus booster should be administered if the patient had not received the 3-dose series or if more than 10 years has elapsed since the previous dose. Some spines can require to be removed surgically due to their location or involvement of other structures like tendons or joints. If you delay your visit to a medical professional, complications such as inflammatory tenosynovitis, synovitis, or sea urchin arthritis and development of granulation tissue can occur. If there is no medical attention available, clean the wound and leave the injury open. Do not bandage it. Take regular doses of prescription-free over-the-counter pain medication to relieve pain if needed. Several home remedies have been published, but there is limited evidence to recommend such techniques. We recommend against the crushing of spines in situ with the intent of rapid resorption, as this can drive the spines deeper into underlying structures. Important: if you are unable to remove all of the spines at home, see a doctor. If you experience any of the following symptoms, see a doctor immediately: severe pain, swelling, redness, pus fever. The most important advice is to prevent sea urchin injuries. Wear surf shoes when surfing in rocky areas. Be careful when walking or stepping on the seafloor. If you see a sea urchin, avoid touching it. Conclusion: sea urchin injuries can be painful, but they are usually not serious. But always be aware that about 80 of more than 1,000 species of sea urchin are toxic.